right here. I don't know if I'm showing it, but it is really, really old. And see that the soil's not bad. It's very dry, but there is no growth whatsoever. So it needs to come out. Whew, it's going to be a hot one. They're saying it's going to be 90, and then with humidity, it'll probably feel like it's going to be 98. Welcome here. This is Diane from Vermont Lavender, and we're in my greenhouse, and today we are talking about replacing my 12-year-old lavender plant. It is confirmed that it is dead. There is no new growth on it whatsoever, and I will show you a little bit of where it cracked, and maybe the pill bugs, the roly-polies got to it too much. I don't know. It was a hard winter, so a lot of my lavender plants in the greenhouse have suffered, and I will show you that also. So today what I want to talk about is replacing or tearing out my old lavender plant. Pruning some other lavender plants are having a little bit of trouble in keeping my lavender plants healthy, so I can use them in my skincare products, and also when I make herbs and I do make teas with it and things like that. So thank you for joining me today, and let's get going. It needs to be pruned. Do it anytime, as long as your season permits. Again, I'm in Vermont and it's a zone 4B, so I have this one, which I've said in earlier videos, that it's a zone, let's see, 5 to 9. This is a really beautiful plant. Pruning. Woody. It's very woody right here, but there's no growth on this one at all. So this part is actually dying. So let's get rid of that. Oops, sorry about that. The lavender hit it. Oh, I'm sweating. It is so hot here. And this is the remainder of the lavender plant that needs to be replaced. So this is all the growth right here. There's quite a bit. Look at this. That's from one plant. Amazing, huh? Beautiful lavender. Love it. So sad to see it go. All right. Thanks for joining me. Diane here from Vermont Lavender. As the crow says, have a beautiful sunny day.